Naga Jingpenlong jong sarkar ya ka block level interactive program han Nongstoin ha West Khasi Hills District Mantakasngi lengba ka CM Connect Outreach ki Paidbah ka than kilawan bani bynta om tang ban sngap ye ki jingkren jong ki Nongyilam ka sarkar jila kentup ka Jingeh jingkren jong Myntri Rangbah ka jila konrat kongkal sangma Henry kila yoru ban Pynpaw Marmet Hakhmat Myntri Rangbah ka jila ya ki Jingeh jong ki ha ki Shillong ki thau ki ba kentup nadu ki jing penjari kendon na ke bynta ki surok bat ki jingking ki jaka sumar ka jing Pynpaw ya ki jing tei badon ki jaka jongok kai perthei ki jing sina bat ki jing tei ya ki jaka lekai ka jing don kam bandon ki jaka kenshow pisa lane ki bang ge babyang ka jing Pynpaw ya ki jaka pule lane ki skul bandon ki jaka sumar merat hakarkom ka badai bat kerpang ka surok ka badi ubudlum ka yo ka kon jong baro haba jubab ya kini ki jingkeli bat ki jing Pynpaw jong ki Paidbah para Marmet lane Hakhmat ye ki Jingeh jong ki Shillong ki thau Myntri Rangbah ulong ba ka jing tip ka ba Hakhmat na ki Paidbah halor kini ki babun ki Jingeh ulakular ban shimkhya bat betha ye ki tanat sarkar ba pher ba kinshim ye ki jinglum jing tip ka batikna bat pun urlong ye ki jing angnot jong ki Paidbah ha ka baide bat ki jing sina ye ki surok ha keleng ki Shillong ki thau jong jilla ulong ba lengba ka ne ka CM Rural Connect ondang la ban sina kattu ka ne ki surok ki balong kongsan shiki Shillong la ruban kedo begini ke jing penlong ya ka block level interactive program lengba ka CM Connect ka dei ha ka sen penlong ka bapra bat Myntri Rangbah ulong ba undang beteng ban wat ya kilat kilenti ban yo jingrap na sarkar pedeng ban long ka jing mento ya ki Paidbah jong ka jelah
of Nongpoh, so I present here on behalf of my village. So now, without taking more time, I would like to request, I would like to ask you only just two questions regarding my village of Nongpoh. Question number one. Our village have no proper irrigation facilities for irrigating their agricultural field because of less water supply. The village mostly depends on rainfall for irrigation. So, can the government intervene to this important issue so that the farmer could have a sustainable food production and better livelihood?
I'd like to inform all of you that from Nongstoh to Myntri, the road is, obviously the work is going on right now, but we have decided to continue the road and we will be very soon sanctioning the additional connectivity from Myntri to Nongpoh. This is part of our plan. This is going to be implemented very, very soon. We will be sanctioning this maybe in about a month or 2 months' time. Tendering will take place. I hope that by March or April, we will actually see the construction work, or at least by next year, the construction work for Myntri to Nongpoh will happen. So I want to give assurance to you and to our honorable MLAs concerned that this is a priority road for us, and we know the economic viability and importance of this road. The Shillong to Maheshkula road has been a road which Honorable MLA has been pressing on. We are exploring the possibility of taking up the Shillong to Maheshkula road under the MITP2, which is a World Bank project, but that list has not been finalized yet. So I will not go ahead and announce it right now, but we are still working on it. And I will do my best to ensure that that particular road also is included. But only once we finalize will I announce it. But I can very confidently announce the Myntri to Nongpoh road. It is already in our list. And as I said, the sanction will come in about a month or 2 months' time.
Thank you very much. Why Jingeh bahasa state level kita melakukan desain. Maka ini scheme di flagship program one is government dia ini kita kendon melabu tiba at state level sah we cannot change.
NSAP, which is the pension scheme for old age pension, as well as the MGNREGS, we all call it job card. These are all national and Government of India schemes. The whole country the same policy is being implemented everywhere. Meghalaya is the only one, or rather we are the ones who could not implement Aadhaar because there was a lot of resistance from the people. I take this opportunity to urge all of you. The entire country has enrolled in Aadhaar. We are one of the few states which is lagging behind because we are getting resistance from the people. The whole country is doing it. There is no problem in it. And today, after many years of requesting that we be exempted, Government of India has now come down heavily, saying that MGNREGS salary will not be, wages will not be given, NSAP funds will not be given if Aadhaar is not there. So we have done our best and got maximum relief. But now, as I said, the entire country is 100% Aadhaar. We are the only ones left who have a few states, 2-3 more are there. We are at about 70%, 75%. So we need the support of the community, people, especially our local headmen. You must motivate the people. You must convince the people. It is mandatory, and we cannot move any further beyond this point. And otherwise, the MGNREGS wages as well as the NSAP old pension will be stopped. You never get an opportunity to speak in a government program. Hence, the CM Connect is a very special program where the Chief Minister and officials come to you directly. You can ask questions directly. And most importantly, it is a two-way communication and not just one-way communication where I come and I give my speech. The objective of CM Connect is not only to listen to your problems. Yes, it is a very important part, but it is only one part of the objective of CM Connect. You have to understand what happens when CM Connect takes place. When CM Connect program takes place, the entire system gets activated. It's not about this 1 hour where I will listen to your questions, but it is about the impact it will have on the governance or the government machinery as a whole. Because our health officials will be ready with their replies. Our PWD officials will be ready with their replies. The PHE department, and like that, all departments will have to do their homework, will have to prepare, and will have to respond to your questions. So we may actually ask only 10, 15, 20 questions today, but the impact of having a CM Connect is to activate the system and the government machinery as a whole. And that's why CM Connect is very important program, because it not just involves this 1 hour program, but it actually activates the system. It helps us to deliver the services better. It helps us to reach the mandate which we are here as a government to do, which is to serve the people of our state. Whether it's the officials, whether it's the MLAs, whether it's the government or the Chief Minister, we are all here to serve all of you.
Pidon kam projector ban pani film ne pidon kam projector nak banta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru ar Iohlad.